Hi, welcome to my new drone tour video of the GLS series, and today I'm going to show you a drone tour of the dairy farm government land sale site. This drone video was shot on a Saturday weekend in late June 2025, and I'm standing at the elevation of about 30 meters, and the drone is being flown about 20 meters above mean sea level. So the drone is being flown in well within the limits of spelled by the authorities, namely the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore. As the drone is being yawing to the left, and in front of it you can see both developments of the dairy farm residences and the botany. And as the drone is being turned or yaw to the left again, you can see right in front of the video is the two condominiums. On the right hand side is a Foresthill residences, and the left hand side is the tree house. Both two developments were one of the first tall buildings situated here or being built here in the dairy farm area. And right below it is the vast green space. There is the actual GLS site, which was successfully been bidded by the consortium led by the Santarli Realty and Apex Asia Development. They submitted a top bid of about 504.52 million for this GLS site, and the site dimension is about 235,448 square feet. This bid was closed and announced on January 14th, and the land rate is about 1020 PSF per plot ratio or PPR. As the drone is being flown right straight, you can see beside it is the botany, which the botany was made the headlines actually, and it was also a hot development back in 2022 and 2023. March 2022, the botany site was successfully been awarded by Simlian Group the 168,536 square feet site at the top bid of about 347 million or $980 PSF PPR, and it beat six other competing bids. According to the edge prop, based on the caveats, the botany at dairy farm is about 99% sold, and then the average selling price is about 222,026 PSF. As you can see right in front of the drone is the landed neighborhood of this Chestnut Walk area. This place is quite highly secluded, and it's quite quiet. If you love nature, you love to hike, you love to walk, this place is perfect, I would say, in my opinion. So there are not many schools, or maybe accessibility to schools nearby is you do need to take some for public transport. You need to take some public buses. There are two bus services. One service to the Choa Chu Kang interchange, and the other one serve the Woodlands interchange. What I know is that the 966 bus service that travels from Woodlands to Marine Parade has passed through this site, and the 966 makes its way around to the Pending Road next to the Pending MRT or LRT station, and the LRT station will take you to either Choa Chu Kang or Bukit Panjang, where you can connect to the MRT. There's also another site, second site, right in front, as the drone is pitching forward. There's a second site, which is part of the second half 2025 list of confirmed sites. Is to be launched sometime in November this year, which could accommodate about 500 residences. And as the drone makes its way forward, you can see part of the footpath or the exercise area, and there is some park connectors around it, and these park connectors lead to the Chestnut Walk, Chestnut Drive, and nearby Bukit Timah Hill. If you are keen to collaborate or have some marketing project of your own, or for the real estate salesperson, do get in touch with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for future updates. I thank you for viewing this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.